Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone after the new iOS 18 update. If the flashlight is not working on your iPhone after the iOS 18 update, try the following steps to fix this issue. Number one is restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, your flashlight is working and fix all bugs and glitches on iPhone on iOS 18. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check the flashlight app. Ensure the flash app is enabled and working correctly. Open the control center and tap on flashlight app, and you can see turn off, turn on, and working correctly. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for software updates. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset your iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and Face ID, and simply reset your iPhone settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is check for physical damage. Ensure your iPhone camera and flash are free from physical damage and dubs. If your iPhone is dropped down and flashlight is not working, now visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix flashlight not working on iPhone after the iOS 18 update. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is if you are using bag cover, simply remove the case from iPhone bag and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, simply contact spotapple.com, and if you are using beta version, simply wait for the next update to fix flashlight not working on iOS 18. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.